ASOKE head wrap tutorial. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
You divide your ASOKE 50-50 equal. You start from the back side because this material is long length but it's not wide. Anytime you come across any material that is not wide and you want to do big style, start from the back. That is how to achieve big style later. Yes, so my people, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. God bless you all for always checking on me. On this platform, we always learn how to achieve different head wrap style and makeup tutorial. But for more explanation, come to my live stream. I have two YouTube. One is Deg Beauty, the other one is Deg Beauty Live, where I do live stream, the same as Facebook. Okay, concentrate your eye on my hand. You see, once you start from the back and at the front side, we are going to cross it for us to have that V shape at the front. So you take one part that you cross it to the ear, the other side, you cross it, you open the ear side, and this side now, we are not taking it, we are taking it to the other ear side as well. Please, I want to beg you, all I need from you is just focus. With focus, even though my voice is not even there, you will understand this tutorial. Yes, so we already cross it now at the front. You tell your model to hold the both sides for you to drag it and knot it and frame it proper. You drag it, tell her to hold it. Now we cross it now. You see the way I cross it. Once you cross them, you can use pin to pin the both sides. Okay, now I'm using pin. My people, as you can see, I am still on my nightwear, my pajama, because this is my beautiful mommy. She's my old customer and she's very good auntie. She always patronized me. On that fateful morning, she already called me as she is coming. But the time I give to her, she was not there. I said, maybe she's not coming anymore. You know, this is our mama. Then I just go to the bedroom. I apply soap on my face. I will start brushing my teeth. Before I hear my bell ringing, away. My husband said that she is here. And me now, I just quickly take my pajama. I say, let me just wear my pajama. May I just go do it. So after her makeup, I tell her that I want to record the video of the gele. And I realized that I don't have a video, a picture on my Instagram, YouTube, and she's my old customer. So I said, oh my God, this pajama, you know, my people, they always focus on what is not necessary. Some of my followers, they will focus on what is not necessary. They will leave the tutorial. They will come and focus on my pajama now. That is the reason I'm explaining, in case you see, say, na pajama I wear. The way it happen, na be that too. Because before I can't go up, go the wear another cloth. No. And I said I want to record her. And she agreed. Okay, my people, as you can see, once you cross them for front, the other side, create it, bring it down as fan. Bring it down as fan. See the way we are creating fan. Sorry for my hand. We cover the road. So you bring the both sides down as fan. Another thing I do to this style, because this is my second time I'm using this hair tie for this particular head ASOKE for her. This hair tie, I don't know if it's because of the quality, is the high quality, it's too heavy, it's the weight, the ASOKE get big weight. So the first time I use it on her, I did not use a lot of pin. And this time I said I will not leave her like that. I'm going to use a lot of pin to pin almost all the tie, the head round, so that the tie don't go for when I'm not there. You know, there are some style will just fall off. So after I create the fan for the both sides. You see what I'm doing, and I knot it at the back. Always position their hand, say make they hold on for you. Then coming to the front side, I started using pin. I supposed to leave it fly, like, you know, There are some ASOKE, you leave it, some fan, you leave them fly. That's the style. But this particular one, I know that if I leave it fly, because the stone they used to stone this ASOKE, now heavy one. This is heavy stone, and the ASOKE get weight. If she carry her head down, the fan fit just no can't be like fan. That is the reason I say I'm going to use more pin. The shape will not look like fan like that, but it's like partially fan bridal style. So I'm trying to use pin for inside, outside, any area I observe that the weight is just relaxing. I want to use pin to protect it. Yes, so my people, please don't forget to leave your comment down below. Don't forget to like. Yes, if you want more explanation of more of my makeup and video, or more of my makeup video and the head wrap gele, and how you can do it on yourself, different style, simple style, you are going to church, you are going to event, how to achieve it on yourself, you better come to my live on Facebook and live on YouTube. That is the reason I create another YouTube channel, for the explanation. So because where you are watching me from now, if you are watching me from YouTube, I don't do live on YouTube on this for you. I have another one. The description, the name of the new YouTube is on my description box in this video. The name is Deg Beauty Life. You write Deg Beauty, you space, you write life, because na live stream what they do there. But in case you don't have patience to wait for the explanation, because explanation video is different from uploading video. You see this uploading video, I just put it on high speed so that make the video for quick finish. For those people that their endurance and patience is finished, that I don't like to upload long video. So, but if you want more explanation, come to my YouTube channel where we do explanation, Deg Beauty Life, and for Facebook the same thing, Deg Beauty Life. Yes, so that my number is there. You can book me for your events, for your makeup, gele, different style, any type of makeup, loud one, natural one, any gele style, traditional bridal hair, okuku, edo brides, for all tribe with the do one for the bead bridal hair. Yes, so and many more. We sell makeup product, we sell perfume. This video one finish, oh my people. See you on my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.
Dead baby. What's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha sha sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got